People, this song goes out to all the folks in Bangalore, Chennai, and Coimbatore because that's where my stand-up comedy special show, Yogi and the Bear, along with Baggy, that's playing in all the three cities in the next couple of weeks. So this song is very special. This song has Kannada because Bangalore, Hindi because Bangalore, and Tamil because Bangalore and Coimbatore and Chennai. And we'll have some English, of course, stand-up comedy. Oh, no, English stand-up comedy. Yes, yeah. So here is the song. जाने दो ना. Yes, Hindi. जाने जाने दो ना. डिंग 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 डिंग. जाने दो ना, जाने जाने दो ना, मुझे तो जाने दो ना, छोड़ो बाकी मेरे, मुझे तो जाने दो ना. ఓ ఎంత మాತಾడితే ಇಂದು ನೀ ಎಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಭಾವನ ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ಸಾರಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಯಲಿ ಇರವೇನು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದು ಜರ 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 ಜಂಚಂ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇಂಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಜರ 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 ಜಂಚಂ ಆ கோடி மின்னல் ஓடி வந்து பாவையானது. SPB rocks, man. கோடி மின்னல், that is SPB laughing. ஓடி வந்து in the middle of a song he laughs. பாவையானது. Whenever SPB sings, that's what always happens. There is someone out there tickling him somewhere. Anyways, that's not the point. I wanted to tell you today my stand-up comedy show in Bangalore on this Thursday. Why don't you come, Maga? Why don't you come for my Yogi and Bear? We are playing in Bangalore, Coimbatore and Chennai. Jara jara. விழியிலே